Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you one very important yet simple task of maintenance that you need to do to your car, and it's adding fuel additive to clean the fuel tank and the injectors. So this one that I have here is the BMW original fuel additive for petrol engines. It costs around $15 to buy, and it's very simple to add. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure your car is very low on fuel. So if you can see here, I have 17 kilometers of range. My fuel tank is almost empty, and I'm already in a petrol station, so I'm in good hands. Now what we will need to do is to add the additive on the empty tank before we fill up the car to a full tank. So now that we filled up the tank, I can say that after using almost half of that tank, I could feel a little bit of a difference. Of course, it's not something major like when you do a mechanical maintenance, or like changing engine oil, changing spark plugs, or changing engine air filter. Of course, all of these have more effect and impact on improving the car performance and making sure your car is in a good shape. But definitely the fuel additive also helps. And I looked online to see how often you need to do this, and there was no specific guidance, but I would say every 5 to 10,000 kilometers, depending on your use and the type of fuel and the conditions that you drive in. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know in the comments if you have any further information that you would like to share, and if you have any comments on this video, or if there's anything that you would like to ask about, and I will try to make a video about it. Thank you and have a great day.